Hi students, today I am going to do the exercise 9.2, your chapter Comparing Quantities, chapter number 9. Before doing exercise 9.2, you learn these formulas thoroughly, then you can do all the questions very easily. Our formulas are profit percentage equal to profit by CP into 100 and loss percentage equal to loss by CP into 100. Here profit percentage and loss percentage are based on cost price. That's why both the case the denominator is cost price. Then SP equal to 100 plus profit percentage by 100 into CP, and SP equal to, in the case of loss, SP equal to 100 minus loss percentage by 100 into CP, and CP equal to SP into 100 by 100 plus profit percentage, and CP equal to SP into 100 by 100 by 100 minus loss percentage. These are the formulas we used in this exercise. Now we can go to the exercise. Our question is, Sunita sold her old toys for rupees 475 and incurred a loss of 5%. At what price should she sell them to make a profit of 8%? So Sunita sold her old toys for rupees 475. So SP is equal to 475 and incurred a loss of 5%. So loss percentage is 5%. Now the question is, at what price should she sell them to make a profit of 8%? So our question is, how much the amount that she should sell to make a profit of 8%. That means you have to find out the selling price with the profit 8%. So to get selling price, first you have to find out cost price. For this cost price, you use the formula SP into 100 by 100 minus loss percentage, because here it is loss. So you use CP equal to SP into 100 by 100 minus loss percentage. Here SP is 475 and 100 by 100 minus loss percentage is 5. So we will get 47,500 divided by 95. It's equal to 500 rupees. So the cost price is equal to 500 rupees. Now we got the cost price. Now our question is, how much price or for what price she should sell them to make a profit of 8%. So you have to find out SP for profit 8%. So to get 8% profit, SP is equal to 100 plus profit percentage by 100 into CP. So here profit percentage is 8%. So 100 plus 8 by 100 into 500. So after simplifying, you will get rupees 540. So she has to sell rupees 540 to get the profit 8%. Our next question is, Rashmi bought a sari for rupees 1050. A few days later, she sold it off to a friend, incurring a loss of rupees 150. What was her loss percentage? What is the formula for loss percentage? It's loss percentage is equal to loss by CP into 100. So here the CP is given as 1050 and loss is given as 150. So loss percentage is equal to 150 by 100 and 150 by 1050 into 100 is equal to 14.28%. Very easy question. Next one, Raman bought eggs for rupees 6 each and sold them, making a profit of rupees 1.5 per egg. At what price did he sell the eggs? Very easy question. Here the cost price is 6. The question is, at what price did he sell to get a profit of 1.5? So you add 1.5 to the cost price. So the price for each egg is 6, and to get rupees 1.5 profit for each egg, SP equal to 6 plus 1.5 is equal to 7.5. It's the answer. Next one, a fruit seller bought 200 orange for rupees 120 a score. He found that 25 orange were rotten. He sold the remaining oranges for rupees 5 each. Find his profit or loss percentage. Here A fruit seller bought 200 orange for rupees 120 a score per a score. For a score, the rupees is 120. A score means 20. So 1 score is 20 unit. So for a score, he gave rupees 120 and he found that 25 oranges were rotten. He sold the remaining oranges for rupees 5 each. Find his profit or loss percentage. So here 1 score equal to 20 unit. So 200 orange means 10 score. So for a score, its the price is 120. So for 10 score, the price is 1200 rupees. So this is his cost price. So cost price is equal to 1200 and 25 oranges are rotten. So the remaining orange is 175. So the price of remaining orange is 5 is given. So the total price for 175 orange is equal to 175 into 5 is equal to 875. He bought 200 orange and 25 are rotten. So the remaining oranges are 175 and for each oranges he sold for rupees 5. So 175 into 5 is equal to 875. This is his selling price and his cost price is 1200. Definitely we know that it is loss. So loss is equal to SP minus EP, it's equal to 1200 minus 875, it's equal to 325. So 325 is his loss. Now loss percentage is equal to 325 divided by 1200 into 100 is equal to 27.08. Loss percentage is equal to loss by CP into 100. Here loss is 325, cost price equal to 1200 and so loss percentage is equal to 27.08. Our next question is, Neha sold her old bicycle suffering a loss of 6%. If she had sold her bicycle for rupees 90 more, she would have made a profit of 3%. Find the cost price of the bicycle. So here Neha sold her old bicycle suffering a loss of 6%. So loss percentage is given as 6%, and if she had sold her bicycle for 90 more, rupees 90 more, then she will get a profit 3%. So we have to find out the cost price. So here in the question it is given that find the cost price. So let X be the cost price. The unknown is take as cost price is as X. So let X be the cost price. Then what about the selling price? Selling price, you know the formula. 100 minus loss percentage divided by 100 into CP. So you substitute the value of X for this CP. We will get SP equal to 100 minus loss percentage is given as 6. So 100 minus 6 by 100 into, instead of CP you write X. So selling price in terms of X equal to 94 by 100 into X. So X is the cost price and 94 by 100 into X is the selling price. Now we have cost price and selling price. And one more relation is given. If she got 90 more, then she will get a profit of 3%. So if she got 90 more, we can write as SP plus 90 equal to CP into 100 plus 3 by 100. How we can write this as, if she got 90 more, selling price become SP plus 90 equal to, substitute the values in the formula, CP into 100 plus P percentage divided by 100. P percentage is here, it is given as 3. So 100 plus 3 by 100. Then in this formula, you substitute the values of SP and CP. So if she got 90 more, SP plus 90 equal to CP into 100 plus 3 by 100. Now what about SP? SP is here as 94 by 100 into X. So 94 by 100 into X plus 90 equal to 103 by 100 into X. Instead of CP you write as X. So 94 by 100 plus 94 by 100 into X plus 90 equal to 103 by 100 into X. So you solve and find X. Taking this to this side, we will get 90 equal to 103 by 100 into X minus 94 by 100 into X equal to 9X by 100. Taking this 100 to this side and 9 to this side, we will get X is equal to 90 into 100 by 9 equal to 1000 rupees. So the cost price is 1000. Okay, next one. A businessman sold a flat making a profit of 16%. If he had sold the flat for rupees 5 lakh less, he would have suffered a loss of 16%. Find the cost price of the flat. So here the businessman sold a flat making a profit of 16%. So he got a profit of 16%. But if he had sold the flat for rupees 5 lakh less, he would have suffered a loss of 16%. Find the cost price of the flat. The same way, in the previous problem we proceed, let x be the CP. Same way we can do in this problem also. Let x be the CP of the flat. Then what about the SP? Here SP, here it is, he got a profit. So SP is equal to 100 plus P percentage divided by 100 into CP. It's equal to 100 plus 16 by 100 into x. CP is x equal to 116 by 100 into x. So SP is equal to 116 by 100 into x. Now if he had sold the flat for rupees 5 lakh less, if he had sold the flat for rupees 5 lakh less, what happened? He would have a loss of 16%. So SP minus 5 lakh equal to CP into 100 minus 16 by 100. It's equal to, here CP is, CP is x, and 100 minus 16 is equal to 84. 84 by 100 into CP. If he sold the flat for 16%, if he sold the flat for rupees 5 lakh less, he would have suffered a loss of 16%. That I termed as a expression SP minus 5 lakh equal to CP into 100 minus 16 by 100. That is 100 minus 16 is 84 by 100 into CP. So SP minus 5 lakh equal to 84 by 100 into CP. Now SP is what? SP is given as, here SP is 116 by 100 into x. So you substitute the value for SP. So 116x by 100 minus 5 lakh equal to 84 by 100 into x. Now you take this x terms to this side and 5 lakh to the other side. We will get 116x by 100 minus 84 by 100 x equal to 5 lakh. Now 116 minus 84 is equal to 32. So 32x by 100 equal to 5 lakh. So x is equal to 5 lakh into 100 by 32. We will get 15 lakh 62,500. So the cost price of the flat is equal to rupees 15 lakh 62,500. Okay students, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like. Thank you.